Hi, I'm Kris and I'm one of the technical sales managers here with Bushel Plus based in Brandon, Manitoba. Today we're going to go through a quick video here of just what this system looks like. I've got a 40-inch pan with an air separator. We're going to go through a few steps of what this looks like getting shipped out when you get this package to your farm, what the contents are, and kind of walk you through on how to get it set up and how to get it working. So first of all, you're going to see this box that we got here. This is what our system comes in. So as we open this box up, we're going to see some of the shipping stuff that we send it with. So one of the first things that you're going to encounter when you open this box up is a 40-inch narrow pan, okay? So this is one part of the system. The next part out of this package you're going to see is your scale, your lanyard, your owner's manual, and your charging port for your Bushel Plus carrier. So from that, we'll set that aside for right now. And now we're going to actually lift the carrier and the wide pan out together here. So from here, you can see what this system looks like, and this is the carrier with the wide pan attached to the carrier. I'm just going to throw this box off to the side here, and we'll kind of go through some of these contents here now. So once you get your system, you'll see that also on the carrier, we've got your remote. So we're just going to take a knife here and cut this off and get this remote out of the way here. Okay. So what this remote does is it allows you to be able to drop this pan off the carrier, off the back of your combine, to be able to test grain loss. So what we will first start with is you'll see that these antennas here, you have to pull this sticker off, and just this sticker alone here. These two antennas, one's for your Wi-Fi and one's for your the antenna with the remote. So we just pull the sticker off. We don't pull the antenna off itself. We do have that happen occasionally. So from there, we're going to set this back down now that we've got those taken off. We have to pull some of the stickers off the front here like this just to get things ready. And we're going to turn our pan on. There's a switch, a rocker switch that's located underneath the one magnet here. So we're going to flip our rocker switch on. And so this pan's telling me that on the LED layout right here, that I'm at 82% battery right from getting the way it's shipped out. Just above that is where your charging port is. So this is where you'd plug this into either a 110 or a 12 volt adapter. The 110 charger comes with the system. The 12 volts is an option that we can get supplied for you as well. So just a quick rundown on this pan while I've got it out before we go into anything else. The way this is done is you've got two magnets that are located on the outside of the pan here that actually hold this pan and carrier onto a combine. It can be mounted either onto the back axle or onto a header, feeder house, anything like that, and that's where we drop this pan from when we're doing our tests. So from here, we'll just kind of set that pan down, kind of a quick run through on that. We'll have this stand and this pan set up on a stand, and we'll actually show you how it looks like dropping it and everything else, both through the app and with the remote. So as I was saying before, underneath this carrier, you've got the wide 40-inch pan there. It also comes with a narrow pan. So I'll just pull this one out of the cardboard as well. Just a quick rundown on why you have two different pans here. The narrow pan is used for different taller stubble. In one of those instances when you're dealing with canola that's a tall stubble, some of the other varieties where you may have a pan that has a tendency to tip over with the wide pan, that's where you would use this narrow pan. So in the kit, we've got the remote that we just took off of here, right? So we've got our carrier, got the narrow pan, our remote. In this package, I touched on very briefly before, but this also comes with your scale. Scale's a key important part of this as well. So I'll just take this quickly out of the package and give you a bit of an idea of what this scale looks like. So basically, Bushel Plus scale. This scale is used to be able to do your grain loss testing. Basically, your scale and your tray to put your sample in. Okay, so we'll take this and set this aside now as well. In this package here as well, this is your charging cord for your pan that comes with it. So we'll just set that aside. We don't need that for right now as well. Also in this system, so this is basically what comes in the box with your Bushel Plus kit. With your kit also comes an air separator. So this is obviously in this other box. I'll just open this up here now and get this opened up and give you guys a bit of an idea of what this looks like as well. So just as we open it up here, basically what you're gonna see is this is the air separator itself, right? So this here, this also comes with the 110 charger, right? So obviously we don't need that right now. We'll just set that stuff aside, but that's basically what you get when coming out with the air separator. First use fully. On the air separator, there's a toggle switch, the exact same type of toggle switch that's on the carrier. There's the plug for to charge it, the 110 volt. And there's also a variable speed switch here that allows us to turn the fan on and to be able to control that fan through this variable speed. As I crank this fan up, or crank the variable speed switch up, you can hear that that fan's blowing more and more, right? So how we use this in our system is this is what we use to actually separate the grain from the chaff and straw and any other debris when we're actually getting our sample ready to be able to put it on our scale.